Hey guys, it's Mika here. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be doing a review of a product that I happened to come across while I was in my local drugstore. I thought it was very interesting to say the least, so I decided why not pick it up and just give it a try. And that product is going to be this Conair True Glow Glam Vibrating Makeup Blender. Yeah. That is what that looks like right there. This very much so looks like your typical beauty blender, but it is in fact drugstore and from Conair. It costs a little bit cheaper than the beauty blender. So I picked this up in my local Harmon's, and as soon as I got home, I did what I always do when I buy a new product, and that is jump on YouTube to see if there's any other reviews. Surprisingly, I didn't find that much videos on it. To be quite frank, I feel like I've only seen 2 videos of this. I mean, I don't know, should I be worried that there's not a lot more reviews on this product? It's not such a new product that there shouldn't be that many reviews on it. I purchased this maybe like November, December of last year. So the fact that, you know, it's now mid-January, almost February, and I really have only seen like 2 reviews on this product, I don't know. So we're just going to go ahead and try it out and see what we think of this product. So some specs on this product. It says, apply foundation like a pro and get ready to flaunt your flawless finish. There's a vibrating action for even makeup application, rounded edges for large area application, pointed tip for precision blending. There's a standing base to keep your blender and counter clean, and it is battery operated. So this product does require batteries. Just one AAA battery? Wait a second. I need to find a AAA battery. This video might be a dub. Please hold. Okay, so crisis averted. I found a AAA battery, a single AAA battery. I had to take it out of my TV remote. So this is what the product looks like. Definitely looks like a beauty blender, especially with this pink color. It's not as soft as a beauty blender. It's not as soft as my Real Technique sponge. Maybe or hopefully it'll get softer once it's wet or dampened. But this is what it looks like. But this is the insert that you would put the battery in, and you would just insert it back inside of the blender. And then right at the bottom here is the power button. To open this part, you just twist it. There are little line markers here to show where you're supposed to line it up. Then you just pop it open. That's what that looks like. I don't know if you can see that there. Alright, so I have placed my battery inside and just close that back up and twist to lock it. Now before I insert this piece back inside of the blender, I'm going to dampen the sponge like I do with any of my other sponges. And I do have some water here. So I'm just going to put this in here and just kind of like soak it up a little bit. And it has definitely grown in size, which like all my other sponges do, which is pretty cool. Now that we have our product dampened, we're going to go ahead and insert this part into the blender. It's kind of weird because I feel like it could just slip right out. Now I'm just going to turn it on real quick so you can hear it. Oh, I could definitely hear that. I'm going to go ahead and like put this on a surface. So it's definitely on. Ooh, oh, that feels good. The only thing is I can actually smell the battery, and that kind of makes me nervous because I hope it's not like emitting any battery stuff into the sponge, soaking it up and then transferring it onto my skin. But for the sake of the video, we're just going to go ahead. Alright, so now with my foundation on, I have turned on the blender, and we're just going to use this all over the face. I feel like I don't know how to hold it because I don't want this thing to fall out, but let's go. I will have to say though, this gets this gets kind of tiring. Like my hand is low-key kind of tired right now. Alright, so that is my foundation on using this blender here. Okay guys, so my final thoughts on this Conair vibrating sponge that you can get at the drugstore for $14.99. Do you really need it? No. Is it a cool thing to have? Sure, but you really don't need it. Like I said, when I was applying my foundation, it really was getting tiring to hold this because you have to be so conscious of holding this kind of like tightly, almost squeezing it just so that this piece doesn't like fall out of it. So after a while of squeezing it so tight and repeating this motion all over my face, my hand was really just getting tired. It sounds crazy, but it was. As far as blending out the foundation, I think it did a decent job at blending out the foundation, but it's nothing more amazing than what you get with the same result as using a beauty blender or even a Real Technique sponge, which is like $6. One thing that I do have to mention, I did go in and use this to kind of set my under eye with the powder. The only thing is that it's a little bit too bulky. That's what I wanted to say. Applying the foundation, it's good to like get the actual surface area of the face, but when I try to get into like the corners of my nose and things like that, I feel like this is just a little bit too bulky, and I felt like it was kind of hard to like get into those corners right here of the face. And the same thing with the setting powder. I felt like it was just too big to get all up in here in this corner. I felt like I wasn't really getting up into the corner, the inner corner of my eyes because it's kind of so fat at the tip. But yeah, so I really don't think that you need to go out and spend your $14.99 on this product. To me, my personal opinion, I felt like it was a little bit gimmicky, but I don't know. My thoughts can be different from yours. If you guys have tried this product out, please let me know down below. If you haven't and you're going to go ahead and try it out, please report back here. Let me know your thoughts. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, yeah, let me know. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of this little but growing family. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.